morning, guys. I just woke up. Actually, I'm just lying. I didn't woke up just now. I didn't sleep at all. It's already 8:24, and I didn't sleep even 1 hour. I don't think I'm going to sleep today. I need to fix the sleep schedule because my college is starting, and my cat is biting my leg. Oh, I ordered some blankets. So, hello. हाँ हाँ ठीक है ठीक. Guys, I'm kinda sleepy now. I think I will take a nap for 2 hours. I won't sleep much because if I sleep now, then I will wake up around 4 p.m. and then I wouldn't be able to sleep again because today I have a nail appointment around 1:30, which I'll have to leave around 12 because it's far. I'll take a nap for like 1.5 hours just to feel energized, and then I'll decide what to do. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm already ready to go because I'm going nails and lashes. Also guys, don't feel demotivated thinking कि एम्ब्रॉयडरी तो हर महीना nail करता है, lashes करता है. It's because I'm getting it for free. So it doesn't mean कि I can also afford it every month. If I had to afford, I don't think I can afford it every month, or I don't think I would choose to do it every month if it's not for free. But it's for free, that's why I'm doing it. So सबका time आएगा. Don't feel demotivated because of that. So I'm going to change my outfit. I've already decided what I'm going to eat or what I'm going to wear. I'm thinking about eating, guys, already. I changed my outfit and I'll show you guys. Ta-da! This is my outfit. I'm leaving now. Let's go, or else I will be late if I do take more time. My makeup is looking really nice. I'm loving it. Guys, I just got off from the metro and I'm feeling so sick. I feel like throwing up. I'm not hungry, but I'm feeling so weak. So I think I'll eat something first. I reached bed. I'm so tired. Before doing nail refilling this time instead of extension. Guys, I did my lashes, then nails, very fast. So this I'm going to do. First is this. पूरा सर गया कुछ कुछ तो. Oh my god, ऐसे ही होते हैं मेरे साथ. ये हाथी मिर्ची, we call this मान मिर्ची in my language, and it's like so spicy and so good. पर ये जो थोड़ा सर गया है क्योंकि मतलब obviously 5-6 दिन हो गया बेच कर. And she got me this dry fish. इसको ना like if I only put 1-2 pieces in my boiled vegetable, it will taste so good. And she also sent me this. Oh, she sent me one more. I told her to send one packet, I think. I remember her. She sent me two. That's nice. Oh, उसके बाद this is like the locally. ये भी खराब हो गया यार. जल्दी जल्दी खाना पड़ेगा इसको ना. This is like my own house garden lemon. This is like the local lemon. It is long and it's so tasty. Okay, बहुत tasty लगता है हमको local lemon. And this is like the bamboo shoot. और ज़रा भेजेगा सोचा था. कम भेजे, but जैसे कि it's very spicy, so मतलब इतना ज़रा नहीं खा सकेगा हम. And the main hero, I will show you the main hero. This is मूला का अचार. So tasty. I haven't eaten, पर वीडियो कॉल में जब भी हम रहता था ना, इतना लालची लगता था, and I was like, please send me this. और मिल गया ये. अभी हम खुल के देखेगा. और टाइट से बांध के दिए. ये जो ना दैट्स लोकल का स्मेल, पूरा लोकल फूड, पूरा घर का याद आ गया यार. पूरा ओवर एक्टिंग लग रहा है वो खुद को ना थोड़ा, लेकिन असली का बहुत अच्छा घर है. डायरेक्ट से मतलब it seems like I'm at home. Let's open this bamboo shoot वाला. Bamboo shoot तो आपको पता ही है नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न लोगों को कितना पसंद है. एकदम से पूरा स्पाइसी स्मेल कर रहे हैं. But my sister told me to transfer this in a glass bottle, which I'll do off camera, क्योंकि हमको ये unboxing फिर से मेरे YouTube Shorts के लिए भी करना है. I'll be active in YouTube Shorts, guys. I'll try to be active क्योंकि ना YouTube Shorts से बहुत अच्छा मतलब सब्सक्राइबर भी मिल जाता है, and then views also you get very easily. So obviously मेरा main goal जो क्या है कि views मिलना, subscribers मिलना, and my aim is to reach 100K at least this 2026. कि मेरा जो vision board है ना, in this vision board, I'm so happy and proud to say that I have achieved like 85% of whatever is in here. So 15% में आता है मेरा Instagram and YouTube में 100K होना, and like I didn't edit here, but like in my diary I wrote certain amount and I was like इतना earn करना है ये साल, वो भी almost हो गया मेरा क्योंकि अच्छा अच्छा brand collaboration आया है. I'm getting good engagement, so उसके वजह से brands also paid me good amount, so everything is good. Yeah, it's okay. I've been filming for YouTube Shorts now. उसके बाद I think I'll go to gym. Gym में तो I'm not going to vlog today. Guys, I came here to take pictures and I'm filming for the reel. I'm trying to make a tutorial on how I take pictures by myself. And there are so many people. I thought it's weekday, so there won't be much people here, but there are lots of people. And first, I'll take a coffee. And I'm in this locality today. For OTD. I'm waiting for my order. I ordered berry matcha. I looked for some inspo for the pictures from Pinterest. I always do that. And my makeup is so bad today. I'm not liking my makeup at all. I'm so busy. Thank you. Very pretty. Very pretty. So I tried taking some pictures, but I have miserably failed in it because my poses are so bad. So I'm going back to the cafe to look for some inspo for the pose. Let's see, I will figure it out. Thank you. Leaving this place now. Going to take pictures outside. The scenery is so good here, but the lighting is making me look so bad. Like if I'm trying to take pictures this side, it's not looking nice, but I'll be trying to take there and I'll try again now. Earlier I was trying that I miserably failed, so let me try again. Guys, I am sweating, it's so hot. The angle is so... I just came back and I'm so tired, guys. First, I'll change my outfit and then I'll clean the dishes and go to the gym. Because I have been slacking in my gym, I've been slacking in my diet. I'm not going to do that. I need to do something for myself because if I don't do, who will do it for me? It's my body, I have to take care of it. It's my responsibility, and even you guys, it's your responsibility to take care of yourself. No one is going to do that for you. You are the only one. So yeah, I'm going to change and then I'll clean the dishes. I'm so tired. It's so freaking hot outside and I'm dehydrated as hell. Wait, tripod. Tripod again. This is the second time saying tripod, okay? I'm so tired and it's so hot. I need to turn on the fan. I also turn on the AC. Ladies and gentlemen, will you please tell me some snow on my hand? I take this magnetic force of the man to be mine. Lover, and you say your daddy's jokes on me at every table. And you see, lover, and I know you go in your ways. Please go. I'm going to wash dishes now. After washing dishes, I'll go to the gym. God bless me. Ah, I'm so dehydrated. I drink so much water, but still I'm dehydrated. I hate this part of living alone. I have to do everything myself. This is the worst thing that I feel about living alone. Also, I transferred most of the achar in a glass jar because my sister told me it will be better if I transfer it to a glass jar, which is in my room, and I keep it where the sunlight comes. So here are the rest. I have almost eaten this in within 3 days. Okay, guys. So I need to wash these dishes, and today's dinner, I'm thinking I'll just make tortilla wrap. And I also drink matcha today. I don't think I will be able to sleep. But tomorrow is my first day of college, guys. And I'm not ready. I still need to buy some stationery, which I think I'll buy tomorrow on my way back from college because it's the first day. I don't think they're going to teach a lot that I will need stationaries and all. And I already have my iPad, so I'm going to use that. So I'll wash these dishes and then I'll see you guys. Doing leg press. I'm so tired. 9, 10. Guys, I came back from gym. उसके बाद इतना गन आ रहा है ना my living room. पूरा ये बिल्ली का पेशाब का गन आ रहा है and I always clean my room and I'm tired. तो उसको हम थोड़ा गाली करेगा. हाँ, आप लोग सब लोग उसको कमेंट सेक्शन में थोड़ा गाली करो. ओए, तुम पोटी किए ना कहीं में ना गन आते तुम्हारा पेशाब तुमको पता है हाँ ओए ओए तुमको बात कर रहे हैं हम तुम इतना गन आता है तेरा पेशाब कहाँ कहाँ पेशाब करके रखा है बोलो तो कुछ काम नहीं करते तुम घर में सिर्फ बैठता है पूरा दिन इतना गंदा करता है ना मेरा घर को हमेशा साफ करना पड़ता है हमको कि हम नौकर है आपका हम आपका मम्मी है मम्मी तुम कुछ काम नहीं करते देखो ना भाग रहा है डर क्यों भाग रहा है कहाँ भाग रहा है ऐसे मारेगा ना तुमको हम अभी आई एम सो टायर्ड आई एम सो टायर्ड फ्रॉम जिम थोड़ा रेस्ट कर लेगा अभी 10 मिनट ऐसा एंड देन आई विल टेक अ वेरी नाइस ऑल बॉडी शावर क्योंकि कल हमको एकदम माइंड फ्रेश चाहिए आई डोंट वांट एनी अनफ्रेश और एनीथिंग लाइक मेरा बाल भी बहुत अनफ्रेश लग रहा है एंड इट्स गेटिंग सो इची एक दिन से हमने धोया है हम जिम नहीं गया था कल सो आई डिडंट टेक शावर सो आज लेना पड़ेगा तो कल कॉलेज को आई वांट टू स्टार्ट विद अ फ्रेश हेयर फ्रेश एकदम शावर किया हुआ बॉडी ये बिल्ली को तो हम थोड़ा मारेगा अभी लेकिन ऑफ कैमरा क्योंकि बहुत बदमाश हो रहा है सो या आज I think I'll show you guys my night skincare routine also. बहुत दिन हो गया I haven't filmed my night skincare routine even though it's the same. थोड़ा chit chat कर लेंगे साथ में maybe we'll do some unboxing who knows. देखते हैं क्या होगा. She's biting me. इतना बदमाश है ना ये लड़की. इतना बदमाश. ओए, हुई. क्या कर रहा है? हाँ? Before I went for dinner, I cooked myself dinner. It's tuna, 2 eggs, cucumber, onion, and some cheese spread, and tortilla wrap with this. Itadakimasu. Let's try it. I've tried it already, by the way. I'm just acting in front of the camera like I'm trying for the first time. Like I do it like roti. Guys, I can't make roti. So I usually buy like tortilla wrap because it's high in protein and low in calories. Okay. Mm. So good. Mm. Also, I usually sit like this at home when I'm eating. So I have this habit of sitting like this. And I also put that bara wala mircha here. So it's spicy. I like it. I like it. I love it. I love it. Good morning, guys. This is the next day. Yesterday, after shower, I was talking with my friend, and then we talked for so long, and I didn't film. So now I'm getting ready for my first day of college, and I'm eating this. It's so tasty. It's tuna, rice, cucumber, with some local achars from the home. I'm quickly gonna get ready. I don't have much time. I need to get ready within like 5 minutes. Today I'll be wearing the kurti that I was wearing earlier in the vlog. I got that kurti from my MKT, by the way, guys. It's like from a local store, so I don't have the link. I got so much DM in my Instagram for the link of the kurti. But guys, मेरे पास नहीं है link. I'm so sorry. I just changed my outfit. I'm not going to wear the jhumka. I was thinking I'll wear the jhumka, but I think it's gonna look too much extra for the first day. So yeah, today I'm just picking my tablet and then my phone. This is my work phone which I use for calls and all. Metro card in my purse. My lipstick obviously, and my AirPods, because without that I don't know how I will travel. I need some cash for the transportation. Where is my power bank? I'm done, guys. I will be going now, and I'll see you in the campus. Last minute I changed the bangles. I think it's going more. Jhumka, I'm not sure if I should wear it or not. I'll see if I'll change it in the metro. It's seriously so hot outside. I want to step out, but I have to step out because I have my college. I'm going back. I forgot to film when I entered the campus because I was so sick. I don't know what happened to me. I think I need to go to hospital because my BP is I think very low and I'm feeling so weak. So yeah, now I'm going home. I just had 4 classes today from 10 to 2 p.m. I want to address what is going on in the country if you are not aware. So since 21 days, today marks the 21 day of hunger strike of Sonam sir doing for the students. If you have heard or not, I'll tell you कि NEET का paper recently leak हुआ था and because of that they had to redo the NEET exam और उसके वजह से 20 plus students they took their own life. You already know the pressure that the student has to go through, especially इतना young age में इतना पढ़ाई करना पड़ता है. And I know that stress क्योंकि I also dropped out for NEET and it was like literally it's very sad that our country is in a state कि NEET जैसा exam जिससे future doctors are made, future doctors उससे बनता है. हम लोग का जो nation का future है वो students लोग उधर से अपना career बनाते हैं and those big exams are getting leaked and entirely the जो education minister है he didn't even take like he didn't even apologize or accountability ही नहीं लिया. The moment it happened he should be the one resigning first but it never happened and कुछ apology भी नहीं आया. So Sonam sir, you already know what a legend he is. क्या नहीं किया है वो country के लिए. He has done so many things for our country and he is the person who is doing hunger strike for us students for the education that our country is getting right now. You already know how fucked up our education system is in India and I'm not going to go to any party. कोई भी हम political party के ऊपर I'm not going to take names or anything क्योंकि first of all I don't support. I will mute this, okay, because I don't know, it's very dangerous. Internet is a dangerous place and our country is already in danger. So मतलब जो भी अभी हम लोग का ruling ग्रुप है पॉलिटिकल ग्रुप है आई डोंट इवन सपोर्ट देम ना ही सीजेपी जो कॉकरोच जनता पार्टी बने आई डोंट सपोर्ट देम बट व्हाट आई एम सपोर्टिंग इज दिस हंगर स्ट्राइक और क्योंकि जो ये हंगर स्ट्राइक है, इट्स कम्प्लीटली अच्छा इंटेंशन, इट्स कम्प्लीटली इन गुड इंटेंशन, एंड एज अ स्टूडेंट, एज अ फेलो इंडियन, आई वांट आवर एजुकेशन सिस्टम टू इम्प्रूव। और हो सकता है बिकॉज लाइक इंडिया में इतना ज़्यादा टैलेंटेड आदमी है, एंड द लीस्ट द गवर्नमेंट कैन डू राइट नाउ इज किक आउट द एजुकेशन मिनिस्टर, क्योंकि कुछ काम का है नहीं वो अभी। प्लस I have been seeing so many reels about the hunger strike, Sonam sir का clips, and it's like literally so heartbreaking. मतलब एकदम रोना आ जाते हैं हमको. I'm not even like related to him or anything. I just have an immense amount of respect for him. Like he has done so much for us. I mean, I don't think there is any person who doesn't respect Sonam sir at this point. क्योंकि मतलब you already know what he has done. So yeah, हमको बस मतलब address करना था कि if you are also someone who is, if you're someone who is not politically aware, I think it's time you should question, you should start questioning the government, क्योंकि ये democratic country है. I think we all should have the right. पर अभी तो मतलब clearly दिखाई दे रहा है क्या हो रहा है हम लोग का country में. It's not even democratic anymore at this point, क्योंकि कुछ आवाज उठाएगा, the government will just shut that person down और कुछ ना कुछ. मतलब I think you have already seen the conspiracy theory regarding people. क्या पता हम भी ये वीडियो के बाद मतलब someone will do something to me, who knows, but I don't care at this point. I just want to spread awareness because I know as someone, as a public figure, I'm also a public figure now. People watch me, people love seeing me. And I know that most of you guys, most of my viewers are mostly students. I'm pretty sure. या फिर अगर students नहीं भी हो, आपका कोई cousin, आपका कोई siblings, या फिर आपका future में जो भी बच्चा होगा, जो भी उन लोग को education मिलने वाला है. They are going to study in future. So अभी NEET का जो स्टूडेंट्स है, दे वर द विक्टिम. लेटर आपका बच्चा हो सकता है, आपका बहन हो सकता है, आपका भाई हो सकता है, कोई भी हो सकता है. सो एट दिस पॉइंट आई थिंक वी शुड स्टॉप being silent every time. First of all, the education minister didn't take any accountability about whatever happened. मतलब दे उसको कुछ फर्क ही नहीं पड़ता है. Even if one student died, they should be taking accountability. At least like apology कर सकता था. That also didn't happen. But at this point, I don't even think that the public will be happy just by an apology, क्योंकि it's मतलब ज़्यादा हो गया, हद पार कर दिया. अभी सोनम सर को the police has taken him to the hospital. If you are seeing the news and everything, reels या फिर जहीं भी से भी देख रहे हैं, nowadays everyone has social media, so I think you're already updated about what is happening. तो वो है, I just wanted to share कि please do at least what you can. Maybe it is digitally or physically going to the protest. If you are not in Delhi, obviously हम किसी को ऐसा force करने नहीं वाले कि go to the protest, go to the protest. I'm not going to do that. But like if you're away from Delhi, you can at least like reshare, comment करो, support Sonam sir. And वही है, मतलब हम ना किसी को support नहीं करते हैं opposition party. I am not like जो भी party हो, I'm not supporting right now. I will only support who is doing right, and whatever is happening for this hunger strike, जो भी reason है इसका, that is really good. Because education जो like I think it is something that is the bare minimum a nation can provide us. और इसमें ही इतना मतलब अंदर ही अंदर क्या क्या मच रहा है हमको नहीं पता. But I know there is something going on within this thing, जो which I'm not going to talk about right now, क्योंकि हम जो दिल का मेरा बोलने से हमको तो कैंसिल करेगा गवर्नमेंट. They will track me down and do something. So I don't want to cross the line, but I just want to spread awareness, because I think it's also one of my responsibility, and I have a platform. I'm lucky enough. Even if only 10 people are watching me, I think I'm still spreading awareness to those 10 people, and I am really happy doing that. और कुछ नहीं बोलेगा ज़्यादा. एंड टुडे इट्स 18th, और कल परसों परसों को 20 को इट्स द फाइनल आई थिंक प्रोटेस्ट डे. सो आई विल बी ऑल्सो ज्वाइनिंग देयर. आई डोंट नो, लाइक आई एम काइंड ऑफ स्केर्ड कि बहुत मतलब मारपीट होगा बिकॉज देखो आज ऑलरेडी द पुलिस केम टू टेक सोनम सर to the hospital, so you already know, you can already predict what is going to happen. तो वो थोड़ा डर लग रहा है. कभी प्रोटेस्ट में आई डिडंट टेक पार्ट, तो पर दिस टाइम आई थिंक मीन ऑब्वियसली जो भी प्रोटेस्ट होते हैं मतलब वो अपने अपने रीजंस के लिए होते हैं. बट दिस इज लाइक एजुकेशन जो सीधा से इतना इम्पोर्टेंट है. बिकॉज ऑफ एजुकेशन आई एम गेटिंग व्हाट एवर आई एम गेटिंग राइट नाउ. एजुकेशन नहीं होता तो हम कुछ ऐसा भी नहीं कर पाते. नॉट इवन यू गाइज वोंट बी एबल टू डू व्हाट एवर यू आर डूइंग. तो मतलब वो ये तो एक बेसिक ह्यूमन राइट्स है. तो वो ये मतलब आई जस्ट वांटेड टू टेल दिस, तो वही है हाँ।